Now put your right hand on your belly and your left hand on your heart. Still standing, or keeping the body as straight as possible, perhaps laying flat. Right hand on the belly, left on the heart. Drawing the energy in. I am Quan Yin, connecting you to the spark of the divine. Drawing the breath in with the right hand on the belly and the left on the heart. Simply tone Ma, M-A-H, 5 times slowly. Ma, 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 Ma. I am Quan Yin. I am Quan Yin. Accept the divinity, the spark of the Divine Mother and the Divine Father within. Accept that you are a child of the light, and you are ascending tonight. The ascension is a vibration within. Feel it gently.